I don't even know where I'm going. I mean, I do know I'm going over my sister's. But I didn't end the last video. So I didn't end the last video and of the sleepover. Well, I took the girls back to their mom. They had to get their hair cut, and I helped wrangle the little ones while the rest of them were getting their hair cut. And I kind of just didn't really end the video. So I don't know if I'm gonna add this to that video. Obviously, if you're watching, that's what you're seeing. Or I'm gonna use this for intro for my next video. So I woke up at 3:30 this morning with a bad headache, but I immediately got right into the shower, and that fixed it. And I had something salty. If you got a migraine, look it up. I researched it. It's a thing. Yeah, I don't know where I heard it from, and then I looked it up, and sure enough, it's supposed to help you with your migraine. So either eat something salty, which I had some, because we had chilies last night after I dropped the girls off, and again, I'm getting red in the face. But I'm liking my hair today, anyway, because I let it dry naturally. Anyway, so after they were done with the haircuts, whatever, I ordered chilies, and I went and picked it up, and I was too tired. I was exhausted. I felt like we really do a whole lot at the sleepover, but yeah, I was just tired because I didn't rest, I guess, the whole day. I didn't rest. We didn't do like a whole, run a marathon or something, but I didn't really rest the whole day. We didn't stop to watch a movie or anything like that. I did sit on the couch for a little while and edited a video, that cookie, because we kind of did a 2-in-1. The cookie, the rosette, the Swedish rosettes. If you haven't seen that video, click the link below. And by the way, this is a series, Countdown to Christmas series. I know I should have probably just called it vlogs, but I didn't, because I wasn't sure how many videos I will put out, but I've been putting out one every other day. And I might be putting out more because I got a bunch banked. Well, you probably already seen this, but this is going to be probably one of the later videos. Anyway, short story long, like Kim from the WOD says. Why do babies say long story short? They really mean short story long. That's why she says that. Anyway, so I'm heading to my sister's for our gingerbread party. That's what. So we used to do a cookie exchange every year, make cookies, but with 16 kids, it's just too much. And we all realized we just didn't want that many cookies. Everybody either made or brought a dozen cookies. Well, they made it, but sometimes we made it there. But then we started making everybody bring the cookies because it was too much. And, it was just got to be too much, and so everybody had a dozen cookies each of whoever came, and some people made 2 kinds of cookies. That was too much. First of all, if you do a cookie exchange, I would say, depending on how many people you have, do half a dozen cookies each. Trade off a half a dozen cookies each, and then make bite-sized cookies. Nobody needs a huge cookie. And if you're like me, I want to taste them all. So, well, I won't be doing that anymore. Yes, so, gluten. Anyway, so I want to taste them all. So I want a little bite. And that's how we make my mom's peanut butter kiss cookies. We use mini, I'll make some and I'll show you. We use mini, I think they're, what are they called? Blossom, kiss blossoms or something like that. I don't know. So we roll them into a ball, and then we push them into a little mini, the little mini muffin papers, the little mini muffins, and use the mini muffin, cookie, what do you call it? Muffin tins, and put a little ball that size that will fit in there, and then put the kiss in there, and so they're small, they're little bite size, well, 2 bite size cookies, and that's plenty. You do need a huge, humongous cookie. Anyway, so going to my sister's, I got my gray t-shirt dress on. I don't even know what I look like. I didn't look in the mirror before I left, but I haven't worn this t-shirt dress out because I didn't feel comfortable. I don't know why. Actually, it's looser on me. So I must be losing inches. I never measured myself. I don't care about that. Doesn't matter to me. Anyway, it matters how I feel. So, and then my clothes fit looser. So this is fitting me looser, and it doesn't look so bad, but it doesn't, like my other blue and white striped t-shirt dress, what was the word I'm looking for? It's wider in the butt area. It tapers, that's what I want to say. It tapers down once you get to the hips. It tapers out, and it's a little longer in the back than in the front. This one is not. It's straight down. So, but I don't care. And I do have my shapewear on, and it's just family. But I do have my leggings on. I am not comfortable with, not to mention, I at least need to wear shorts underneath just because. Or what are those things? I've never bought them. What are they called? Anti-chafing leggings or something like that. I don't know. I've seen them on Amazon. They're shorts. They're legging shorts. Well, they're a little thinner than that. Anyway, I need something like that. So, yeah, I'm going to film the cookie. So she's doing a gingerbread. Squirrel. So we're doing a gingerbread party. We did that last year. Some of you might have seen it. I don't know if I recorded it for a video, if I just showed it on Instagram. So all the kids are going to make a gingerbread house, and then everybody's going to name them. There's not going to be any voting. Who's the best? Blah, blah, blah. We don't do that kind of thing in our family. Anyway, it's not necessary. So she has all the ingredients. They're all going to make their own gingerbread houses out of graham crackers, y'all. Yeah, it's too hard to do the gingerbread houses, and you have to make them all and out of real gingerbread. It's fun. The kids have a blast doing it, and it's a fun thing to do, and we all get together because my sister usually does a Christmas party on Christmas Eve, and she's not doing that this year. I think I might have talked about that in another video. Anyway, we're talking about possibly doing it at my house, but in the backyard. We're doing a fire and s'mores, and that depends on the weather. I don't know. Bob hasn't answered me about that. Yes, his name's Bob, not hubby. Anyway, I never hardly say that. I've heard other YouTubers call their husband hubby, and some people say hubster, the hubs, all kinds of stuff. So I am not the only one. All right, I got my water. Oh, and I made a garland. I'll show you when I get to the house because it's all wrapped up. I made a garland for my sister because the color for her house is in her living room is turquoise, aqua. I don't know. It's one of them colors. It's on the blue side. Is that turquoise? I think that's aqua. I think my guest room is turquoise. I think blue, that kind of color is. Yeah, if it's on the blue side, it's called aqua. They're turquoise, aquas. What are all those? Teal. They're all very close in color. And anyway, it's very hard to find things to match. Anyhow, the point of that is that it makes it hard for her. She just did that this past year or the year before. So yeah, I think it was last year, because it makes it hard to decorate for Christmas for that. So I wanted to do something Christmas, so there are little trees for her too. And she also has minimized, she got rid of a lot of her Christmas stuff. She had a lot of Christmas around the world stuff that I have too, that got from my mom and stuff. So I'm probably gonna get rid of that. I got like 4 little bunny Christmas things from Christmas around the world, little dolls, bunny dolls with Christmas outfits. I don't need those anymore. I don't use them. Maybe I'll try to sell them. And my sister told me yesterday, she said, nobody wants our stuffed shell. So I'm like, should I save it for Amy? She's like, no, she don't want it either. I had them too. And I asked her if she wanted them, if she wanted me to save them for her. And she said, no, nobody wants even that kind of stuff. So, yeah, I'll show you when I hang that up what it looks like. And I talked for 10 minutes. Oh my God. That's definitely too long for the outro of the video from yesterday. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. We shall see. All right, so again, I woke up at 3:30. Did some things around the house. I will be needing a nap later. That is on the schedule. And I believe that's all I'm going to do today. Gingerbread party. Take a nap. And I don't know. Nothing. I have not done nothing in weeks. So, I deserve it. One more thing. I'm early. It's supposed to be there at 12:30. It is 10:12 and I'll be there in about 2 minutes. Yay! Gradually and slowly, I am working on all these things about procrastinating, getting ready. Of course, I had since 3:30 this morning to get ready. So there's that.
Two of these, right? And these are the shares. So 2 of those tells you how to cut your graham cracker, and then 2. These are just half of a graham cracker. Alright, sing. Sing, we wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your king. The tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Start.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hooray!
One more time.
One more
Something
time.
else. Deck the halls with
Boughs
boughs.
of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Down here now again, carol, fa la 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 la. Jolly and Yuletide carol.
Can't hear you, Kayla. I can't hear you.
We always hear about those paths. We have two of them, but then we read Revelation.
Alright guys, I'm wearing this dress and my boots. So, my sister and I and the girls and my other niece-in-law and her girls are going to go see a play at a local small theater. It's so cute. And we're gonna go see Little Women. So I get a chance to wear my dress.